See, here in Oracle Fusion, we can call this a BAP report. BAP means BA Business Intelligence. Okay, BA Business Intelligence report we can call. And here two types of is there. One is the BAP and OTP reports. Two types of reports we need to develop the reports. Why BAP reports? We can use BAP using the SQL query. OTB reports without using the SQL queries. I'll show you. One moment. Look at my screen. This is a Oracle Fusion application. Click on Home button. Here, taskbar. Click on taskbar. Here, tools. Click on Report and Analytics. This is a navigation for the BAP reports. And click on Browse. Here also creating the report option. Report option. Analysis. One is a BAP report and second one analysis. And one more. Click on the Browse catalog. Here, see, this is the window for the BAP report developing. I'll explain each and every button and folders also. Here, this is a analysis report. We can call it a OTBA report. Okay. We'll discussion first. We'll discussion the BAP report. Next, we can discussion about the analysis. Analysis means without coding, anybody without coding knowledge can develop the analysis report. Without there is no even single. We don't write a single SQL query. We don't have any option at all writing the queries SQL query. Only just I'll show you the demo version. Simple drag and drop. This is called as a subject area. For the demo purpose, I will show you. This is the AP invoices. Here we can, the subject area. Without knowing the subject, we cannot do development. Subject area means this is a this is a called a subject area. Just drag and drop. This is a columns. View names. Just drag and drop. Okay, result. Click on result. Yes, and here click on here data export. Simple. This is the output. How much time it will take? With 1 minute to develop the report. This much is the fast. Okay, simple. To save the data also, this is we can call it analysis report. We have the party, supplier name, supply side, everything is there. Click on the, just click on it, column you can drag and drop. That's all. You cannot do anything. Simple report will be automatically feed and develop the report and export the Excel, whatever you want, Excel PDF. Only most of times Excel only CSV. This is the output types only. But I'll give the clarity of the once the we can complete the BAP reports, we can come to an analysis report. Just I show the demo purpose only. Okay, this is the analysis report. After that, we have the one more. This is called publisher reporting. Here we have two types there. Two creator reporting. One is a data model. Customer after customer, BAP reports. B means BI intelligence, P means publisher. Okay. One is a data model. Second one is a report. Look at here. This is a report. This is a data model. First, data. What is the data model? Data model. Click on the data model. Here you will get the one window. Okay. Here diagram. This is a, I'll add create. This is a SQL query. We are using the SQL query. Click on the SQL query. You can type supplier details and data source. Multiple data sources there. One is a FSCM and HCM CRM data source. The interval ask the question how to create a report. We can explain the first. Go to the taskbar and one button is there, create button. In create button we have the report publishing. Okay, after report and publishing, click on the data model, and after click on the data model you will get the one new window, data model and structured data. This is a name. Name is a, you can naming conversion. Whatever you have developed the report, so for example, supply data. Okay, use the supplier naming convention and data source. You can how many data source they will ask. LOV we can call is this is called a LOV, and this most probably we are using the our we are the doing the finance SCM application DB FSC. We can select the always we can application SCM, and this is a HCM human capital management. We cannot use a human capital management, and CRM also we cannot use the CRM database. DB means database application DB underscore FSCM. Always we can select the this database only. We are getting the this database retrieving data from the particular table. Okay, type of SQL always standard SQL. We cannot use a non-standard SQL process. We can call. We cannot use the presently as of now. We can use standard SQL. Okay, here we can type it. One is the basic query. We can write it. Already select exit parties. I can join the two tables. This is called alias name. Anybody knows the join? What is the join condition here? Tell me the join condition.
Party ID.
Party ID.
Where? Tell me the condition. HB dot.
HP dot party ID.
Party ID is equals to
HCA dot party ID.
What are the columns available?
Party name, account number, first account ID.
Very good. Your good name, please.
Rasul.
Rasul. Very good. HB. What is the party name? Next. Party. Party number. Party number we can call. What is the party number we can call as a? Tell me. Friend. Application side. Application side. Application friend. Application side. Register ID is a party number. Okay. And template level. What is the column? Template. I will show you. Template. What are the columns available? Template level. Customer. I'll show you. Customer number. This is a customer number. Customer number as a party number. I'll show you application side. We'll keep it. We'll do the duplication. We can remove up to here. We'll get it like that. Home. Go to where to go. How to open the customer details? Tell me the receivable. Speak out. Receivable. Next. What to do?
Billing. Billing.
billing.
Next. Sorry. Next. After that. Tell me. After that. Task. Click on the taskbar. Manage customer. This is called register ID. Register ID means party number. Organization name is a party name. This is the details. Okay. Account number. Account description. Okay. Account number. So column names, party number, HCA, account number. Okay. So this is a sample query. Just spelling mistake.
That is a cust account ID, sir. Account
Yes,
number.
yeah, we can. Not as a account number. Cust account is a, that is a primary key. Okay. Look at here. This is a party number. This is a account number. This is a account number. This is a party number, party name. We don't have a cust account ID. Cust account ID is a primary key. Okay. For the exit cust accounts. Okay. Join condition between the thing. We can use the other tables. Okay. As of now, party ID is available. So after that, what to do? Yes, we are retrieving the data. But is it sufficient data? Is it okay? Data is okay? No, because the database, we need a data number of, we don't know, thousands of data is available. But here output is only 5 records. But our data, yes, up to 200 level, we can show to you. But client is doesn't satisfy this type of output. Means in R12 we have the export option, but here we don't have by I think we have the export option is there. After retrieving data, we can export. Here we don't have an export here. This is called export means first we can save it data. Here after 200 data, here one more button is there. Click on sample data. Click on OK, and here save the data. Where is my folder is there? I'll explain the folders. Okay, first of all, create new folder, customer details. In customer details, we can give the customer data model. This is a data model customer. Yes, data model created, but we need to show the output of the complete output of the how many customers available we don't know. So we can I need a total report. I don't put 200, 500. How many records database available? We need a total records. So what to do? We have the one more option is there to develop the report is there. So here create a report option. Second option is the what is the report. Once the develop the data model, after that we have the create a report. Use as editor. Sorry. Yes, this is a table. Next. Yes, drag and drop. This is a predefined template. Oracle predefined template. Here we don't want grand total. Remove the button. Next, click on next. Yes, finish it. Yes, customer. Yes, how many is a 42 count? Just to download the thing. Total above 60,000, above 1 lakh, nearly 1 lakh data. Okay, but the client is not satisfied this report also. What to do? They don't want this type of thing. They need a Excel outputs. I'll show you the both the thing. Here, this is a data model symbol. Look at the symbol. Okay, this is a data model symbol. This is a report symbol. Okay, did you observe the thing? Symbols are different. Report symbol are different. Data model symbol are different. So this is report. Here we can edit the report. Okay, here so many parameters is there properties, but auto run we don't want auto run. Okay. Yes. Now view report. But before view report, we have the view list is there. Here, so many output format. The interview question, what are the output formats? Click on the output formats. We require HTML also output format. Okay. RTF, Excel, Word, Excel, Excel outputs, PowerPoint, and PDF, all the output, CSV file. Finally, yes, Excel. Okay. So save the template and view report. Yes, report is downloaded. This is a customer report. Here also, client, this report is not certain. Is it looking good? Report is looking good. Is a cosmetic. We can call it this type of, but client is not satisfied this type of report also. But data is there. But output is we required logo, bold letters, some cosmetic, some makeup required. Report is a look like is a output type is a headings are bold and colors required and logo and parameters everything. But how it is possible? Here we don't have any that type of possible. But we have one more tool is there. Output formats. I'll explain the here. Templates, output format. One is a RTF template. Here we need to plug in the tomorrow I'll show you the we need to add the plugins. MS Word. Here you will get the where is the thing? Yes. Here BA Publisher, one more tool plugins will come. After plugin, we can use this type of template. Here template means custom design. Custom design, whatever we required, bold, colors, we can put the colors, logos, whatever you want, whatever the client wants, we can develop the custom development. Means logos, bold letters, calculations, everything possible. That type of plugins and Excel template, e-text template, PDF template. This is a 4 type of template. Why? Because the client's requirements completely different. But this type of template, okay, report is okay, but they will not satisfy this kind of reports. I'll show you the recently yes, Google. Okay, no issues. Okay, I'll show you the recently yesterday. I think This is the RTF template output format. This same Atol EBS template only, but here completely different. I show you this one, Oracle Fusion. Okay, leave it. This is completely difficult, no problem. Yes, look like is a already we have developed a payable image. This is RTF sample output. This is a kind of the logo, and this is a colors designing, and this is one enter report decimal numbers calculation part. This is a output form output grid format, everything required. But this kind of report they will not satisfy, but they expecting this is the output result. This is a center, this is a time and date, page 1, page 2, date format. This is a sample basic report, but they do this kind of they don't want. They expecting this kind of report. We'll do it. This kind of report we'll develop it. Meanwhile, okay, this is a complete output. How to develop the report? Sample output. 1 second. I'll explain what is the difference between the PAP reports and OTP reports. I'll explain to you. Yes. This is a BAP reports. Very less friendly. We just now we developed the BAP reports. I demo also. I show you just now OTP reports also. OTP reports are more friendly. We don't need the technical expertise. We can develop the BAP report. We just drag and drop option. BAP report is a combination of the objects. Object means data model and report. This is a required. This is a common. See, this is the report. This is a combination of the both required. But OTP report, we don't want the combination required. Only analysis, only just drag and drop output will get it. BAP reports, we need a write SQL query to extract the data from the Oracle Fusion. But OTP reports, we don't need the write SQL query. Expect we just select the columns. Just we want to show the output report using drag and drop. Create the output OTP reports. And BAP reports mostly suitable complex report only, whereas we have the extra data from the multiple tables. OTP report only suitable simple data scenarios, whereas we have two extra data. One is that 1 or 2 tables enough. BAP reports we have the more flexible in terms of the data extraction, as we can write SQL queries as per our requirement. But OTP report, we have no flexibility. We can only extract those data which is available OTP reports. We can add, do not changes in data extraction. Means whatever the data available only we can get it. But there is no, we need a extra data and attribute columns. Here we didn't get the any additional. Whatever the columns available, data subject area, then only we can get it. And OTB reports, system write SQL queries automatically based on our column selections, data extraction. But BAP report, we have the right SQL query statement as per our requirement. And OTB reports more about a simple and data extraction tool, but BAP reports more robust tool as we can extract, design, and the reports layout. This is called layout. Actually, RTF layout means RTF 4 layouts is available. One is a RTF template, Excel, e-text, PDF templates. But we cannot design the this kind of OTB reports. Means GL kind of reports, business like cash management, transaction report, mostly transaction, calculated reports very difficult to design the master data. Without calculation, very easy to have the OTP report. But more on the calculation, we cannot do the OTP reports. Like multiple transaction, aging, kind of the aging also we can possible, more complex, we cannot possible the OTP reports. From the user perspective, BAP reports are GUI much better than the compared to OTP reports. This is the point number 1. See, OTP report can design very quick, but BAP reports can take some time. Already I show the difference between the OTBA and BAP. How much time? One column, just fraction of second. But BAP reports, we need to write a query, we need to join the tables and take a data and paste the data model and save the thing. And one more thing, data, and we need to add a report also. We need to design a template. It will take so much time. But OTP simple, drag and drop and export it. That's all. Within 1 minute, fraction of second, we need to do the reports. Compared, but output also very quickly, very fast. And but BAP report, it will take a time. BAP report design multiple templates. OTP only was single template. Excel template only available. OTP template. This is a subject area. Always we can drag in. There is no option at all. Any data, where is a payable? Yes, procurement, L time, purchase. Click on the result. Here, check it here. Data export only Excel. There is no PDF like that. Look at here. Click on edit. How many output format is available? View list. Tell me, speak out. How many output? Speak out, anyone. Look at here. PowerPoint, Excel, Word, RTF,
PDF, HTML.
These many output format. But whereas only single one, Excel only, PDF Max, there is no data output. Format is a different, output is a data output only, Excel only. Very less output. But client, they don't want, they need a different type of output. They can select a number of, select the format is different. But client is not satisfied the sometimes OTB report. But they need a you can go for the BAP reports only. Sometimes very quickly they can accept. Most probably they can choose BAP reports only, because custom means whatever we want, we can design it, but we cannot possible the OTB report. Why? Because whatever, that is a customized, limited options available. See, look at MS Office is there. MS Office is a CDR or customization. Tell me, anyone can tell me? Do you know what is the difference between operating system, Unix and Windows? Anyone can tell me? Quickly, there is no time at all. Speak out, anyone. What is the difference between Windows and Unix? Unix is a customization. We can write anything coding required, but operating system user friendly, but we cannot editable, right? Look like MS Office, we cannot edit. Whatever we have, we can see, we can use it, but we cannot edit the thing. But Unix, we can whatever we want, we can design, we can delete, we can so many options available. But Windows, there is no option at all. Here also OTB reports, but most of companies, they can use the OTB reports. Master interview questions, they will ask what is the difference between OTB reports and BAP. You can explain, these are 15 points, more than enough. More than enough. 100% you will get the set, they can settle, but you can mug it each and every point. Okay, all the points are required. Interview questions, they will ask what is the difference between BAP reports and OTP reports. This is, I'll share this content to you. Okay, in Google Drive, you can use it. Okay, you can download, you can keep it in your folders. Okay, security ways. OTP more secure and compared to BAP reports. That's the main important thing. Security. The advantage is security. Designed BAP compared to more security, less security and BAP reports. That's all. Okay, main advantage. You can say like that. End of this 15th point. Okay, anyone, any doubts here? Let me know. Well, guys, I'm asking to you, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow we'll explain to the kind of the developments, like DAO systems and test environment. Like I'll explain to the this rest of thing, these folders. We have so much is the data there. This folder, share folder, this is a thing, archive, this folder, properties, everything, permissions, and data model, rest of things, style reports, subtemplate, and dashboard filter. First, we can complete the BAP report, then we can go. And tomorrow we can explain to you my folder, share folder. I'll explain to you. And okay. Meanwhile, you can practice you can take the instance, practice well. Okay, sampled one. We can design the R-type template also. I can plug in my system is I'll show you the thing. How to download the BAP plugins, and I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, we'll continue classes tomorrow, sharp 8 o'clock. Okay. Meanwhile, while coming the
Sir, I have a
classes,
small doubt.
okay, go ahead.
In market, there are separate BA reporting tools like Power BI or Tableau. Then what's the difference over here? Is there any additional features?
Yes, yes. But here so much is a flexibility is there. What is a Power BI? Very less people. Oh, this is a kind of tool. Power BI is a separate tool is there. But here BA Publisher, BA Fusion is not a tool. It is a completely application. Okay, understood? Application, we have those multiple, sorry, what is it? Okay, we have multiple customers available, but very less customers available for BI. Very less. In terms of the, we can have a multiple businesses there available. We have the criteria is there. One is a different criteria. What is the business? We have the finance and supply chain management and this kind of completely business related work. Okay, and Power BI we can only use for the only reporting purpose. But here,
in Power BI, different set of reports. I mean, table format and like graph format.
here
Sir,
also we can have multiple formats available. Graphs are also available. Everything is available here. Fusion also. Graphs also every different. I'll show you. OTB reports. We have the multiple areas. Example. I'll show you the OTB reports. This is the table designs. We can multiple graphs are available is there. Look at here.
You are not sharing the screen, sir.
Sorry. Look at here. OTB reports. Graph. Look at how many bar template is there, line template, area, pie templates, pie, line bar. This many options available. Graph is there. This many outputs available. Table, private tables, title. This many is all available in the OTB reports.
whatever they required, we'll do.
Yes.
Right.
See, finally, see that we need to satisfy the client. That's all, because they are paying to us, right? Finally, what they're expecting, they need is a multiple options available. For example, they require the business. See, they are doing the business. Okay, in one box, they don't want multiple tools, one application, but they need all the availabilities they required. Whatever they require in one application, we required. Here, Oracle Fusion, we record all the BAP reports is there, and data storing and data retrieving. We can use the data, creating a manual also, creating a manual, and we are retrieving from the tables, and as well as the without coding also we have the OTP reports of multiple options available in one application. That's why the client accepting this kind of the application. But tools come and go, but application never ended. Application never ended means inbuilt the business. Never ended business, never ended application. One word. That's all. That's why always requirement is even though recession will come, we'll get it the jobs in the Oracle Fusion, Oracle apps. Never ended kind of the work. Because whenever the business is there, jobs also available. Because in Fusion also we are working with the data analysis, less coding. In coming days, everybody we are working with a less coding analysis, more on the analysis report, less coding compared to R12 Fusion. R12 is a more code. 10,000 lines we required. Here more than 1,000 records, 1 or 2,000 rows more than enough. We can build the reports, and we don't have any options on R12 without coding options, right? Client, they need a without coding. Sometimes immediately 4 to 5 columns required, but they don't know tables. But they can go to analysis. They can drag and drop off. That's all. Simple output. Whatever Excel output will come. Just fraction of 5 minutes only. They can build the report. In terms of the R12, we need a builder query. We need a join condition, SQL required, and output required. All the required. That's the difference. Okay. Any doubts? Still?
No, nothing.
Okay. Satisfied? That's why is nowadays is the Artwall and Fusion is more requirement is there. We can search in the Naukri portal, Artwall and Fusion number of open compared to other tools. BAP tools is come and go out. Sometimes requirement project are huge, they will take it. There is no project at all. Here continuously there is no up and down. Whatever whenever the business is there, automatically is the keep. There is no up, there is no down at all. Keep on jobs is available. They will not take it much resource. They will not less resource. Keep on simultaneously. There's a keep on drop is always same. There is no high. There is no low. Sometimes high, sometimes, but always high only. There is no less. So jobs always available, even though sections also. Here, once they will get the job, they will not remove your job until unless you will quit the job. Okay, this is a guarantee. Job space. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow session. But while the coming the session, please practice well. Otherwise, you will not understand the coming classes. That is the main important thing. See, we are continuously going the sessions on the. See, while the practice only, you can understand the coming classes. Okay, please do it. Practice. Okay, we can continue tomorrow classes. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.